Hello and welcome. I know there are a lot of you people out there who just want to create something on their PC because they found a use for it. Some people may just need something for their own home or workplace. Others may like a bit of paid dirt for their hard work. Either way, before you can even begin creating that first bit of code, you need to install what is known as a development kit. And for the purposes of this tutorial series, which will be for the Java language, we will be installing the Jdk, which will give you the tools that are required for writing your next big project. In this tutorial, we will be installing Java SE10, which has just been released last March 2018. First, go to the download site for Java SE and download from there. I'll walk you through. I'll just bring the window over as soon as it lets me. There we go, and I'll just grab that web address. Okay, as you can see, here we've got the Java downloads which are available. The one we will be downloading is SE10. Just click on the link here, Jdk download. You'll be asked to accept the license agreement, and if you're running Windows, you can click the Windows link. If you're running Mac, click that link. This tutorial will be mainly concerned with the Windows, so we'll go on with that. So just click that link, and of course we want to keep that file, and this will take a while to download. So I'll break off from here and come back to you when it's finished downloading, because this will take some time. Okay, welcome back. The next step is to actually tell the computer where the Jdk was installed, so that you can program the computer and it will know where the program is that actually compiles your program and turns it into code that the computer can understand. What we'll need to do is open the control panel. Here I'll remove that. That's my previous video. You don't want to see that. Open up File Explorer, open Control Panel, and then let's have a look. System and security, advanced system settings. Okay, now go to your environment variable. Okay, there's a few of my ones in there that I've put in. What we'll need to do is okay, under System Variables, this one here, we want to click the path variable and click Edit. What we want to do is add a new path variable, and what we'll need to do is have a look. Okay, I'll just have a look to see exactly where I'm off the screen here at the moment, so I'll find out where this program has been installed. I won't be a moment. Here we go. Here we go. And what needs to be put into this variable, I won't be a moment. Yeah, I'll come back and I'll sort this out for you. I'm just having some issues with getting this working, so I won't be a moment. I'll come right back and I'll show you exactly how this is done. Okay, it appears that the folder that needs to go into the path variable is in a new folder name. The way they've named the folder is different to the way they used to name it. And that's where I found it hard finding exactly where this folder was. and the folder that we need to go to is under Program Files, Java, Jdk 10.0.1 /bin, bin, and what we want to do is copy that path and we would like that path put into the path variable. We can close out of these now. And what we would like to do now is to verify the Jdk installation to make sure that we do actually have a Java program, that we are able to run Java software, and we can do that by going into the command prompt, and if all is well, we should have okay. It's brought up a previous version of Java. Okay, looks like it's running a different version of Java to what I installed. That may be because I already had Java installed, but a different version. With yours, it should come up 10.0 point and another number. If it's installed properly, it will show. Otherwise, it'll. If it's not installed properly, you'll have an error saying it couldn't find the application. And if all is well, we should be able to create a Hello World program, which we'll discuss in the next tutorial. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you back soon. Okay, bye for now.